All right, y'all, second part of this video. So as you can see, I already got the blower out. So what you need to do, this big fat harness here is attached with a tie wrap, a zip tie. Cut it loose, okay? That'll kind of give you access. There are a total of 5 screws holding this blower motor in, okay? Basically, it's the cover. Let me see here. The cover, all right? The cover kind of holds the stuff together, and well, maybe not, but anyhow, there are two which are really easy access. 1, 2, okay. Then you'll look around, you'll find 3. That one you will find. The 4th one is here. You will find that one as well. The last one is right here, and that's the one that you need to break off. And you do that because once you got those 4 out, you can actually, the blower will drop down, and you can start kind of wiggling and twisting and turning the plastic plate here that holds the blower motor back and forth, and then pulling and so on, and finally it'll let go. Then the whole blower motor comes out of the housing, and then you can service it, replace it, do whatever you need to, and then put it all back in, bolt it back up, and then put everything all back together again. This so far has taken me just over an hour, okay? Maybe an hour and a half. I figured total job maybe 3 hours, as long as you know what the fuck you're doing. So the inner carpet comes out pretty easy. Also, this side trim had to come out. It's just snapped in place. So once the seat is out, you can unsnap it. There is a snap here, so don't forget that one, because you won't get it loose, okay? There's a snap on the inside. And then also don't forget, there's a 7mm little bolt head on the underside of the seat. So just, disconnect that, and then you can move the whole seat out with the belt attached. You can lay it on the side of the car right there. So and then there are 4 10mm bolt heads on the seat heater. You can remove that just so you can kind of release the carpet, and then you just carefully pull the whole carpet out of the way, like this whole passenger side. You just pull it out and move it out of the way so you can gain access to the bolts underneath the blower motor. All right, so I hope this helps. I'm sure it will. Have a great day.